Amy Dowden has opened up about her special bond with her rarely seen twin sister Becky during a joint appearance on ITV's Lorraine on Tuesday, May 7, ahead of the Eurovision Song Contest. Throughout this week, Amy and Becky are celebrating the kick-off of Eurovision, hosted by Sweden this year, by delving into the nation's history with the competition. While discussing her connection with her twin on Lorraine, Amy affectionately stated, "We're the best of friends. Obviously, being twins as well, we certainly have a special bond. We do everything together, from being each other's first dancing partners, obviously, sitting in school together, holidays together. It's just lovely, especially after the year we've had, to have a nice trip away together just before the big Eurovision Song Contest." Becky gushed, "Having the opportunity to come away together and have that girls' trip and completely take ourselves away from what has been going on for both of us, in particular Amy, over the last year is really, really lovely. It's just nice to do normal things together and the things that we used to do when we were much younger, and that's just to let our hair down and have fun." The sisters then dazzled viewers with a Eurovision-inspired dance routine, donning ABBA costumes and performing to Waterloo. Post-performance, Becky quipped, "For one night only," as Amy chuckled at the comment. Speculation is mounting about whether Amy will make her comeback to the Strictly dance floor this year. While nothing has been confirmed yet, Amy said in March that her main aim is to be back as a full-time professional later this year. Cancer signs and symptoms to look out for. According to the NHS, changes in bowel habits. See your GP if you've noticed these changes and it's lasted for more than a few weeks. Blood in your poo, diarrhea or constipation for no obvious reason, a feeling of not having fully emptied your bowels after going to the toilet, and pain in your stomach, abdomen, or back passage, anus. Bloating. See a GP if you've had bloating for 3 weeks or more. Lump in your breast. See your GP if you notice a lump in your breast or if you have a lump that's rapidly increasing in size elsewhere on your body. Your GP will refer you to a specialist for tests if they think you may have cancer. Coughing, chest pain and breathlessness. Contact your GP if you've had a cough for more than 3 weeks. Symptoms such as shortness of breath or chest pain may also be a sign of a severe, acute condition, such as pneumonia. See your GP straight away if you experience these types of symptoms. Unexplained weight loss. You should also see your GP if you've lost a lot of weight over the last couple of months that cannot be explained by changes to your diet, exercise or stress. Bleeding. You should also see your GP if you have any unexplained bleeding, such as blood in your urine, bleeding between periods, bleeding from your bottom, blood when you cough, and blood in your vomit. Moles. See your GP if you have a mole that changes shape or looks uneven, changes color, gets darker or has more than 2 colors, starts itching, crusting, flaking or bleeding, or gets larger or more raised from the skin. For more information, visit the NHS Cancer page, or for the latest cancer news, research updates and real-life stories, visit Express Health. Last season, she took a step back to focus on her cancer treatment, though she did grace the show with cameo appearances. Amy was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2023, aged just 33. The carefully born dancer has openly discussed her cancer journey, which in the last year included undergoing chemo, confronting a blood clot and battling sepsis. Earlier in February, she shared a positive update on Instagram that there was no evidence of disease in her body and that it was time to look ahead after the toughest year.